you're trying to make me look like I'm a liar? I'm a liar? So you're trying to say I'm a liar? I'm a liar. I'm a liar? Answer me. I'm a liar? Sorry po. Sorry. That's how you say sorry? If I say sorry to you, like, sorry ate ha, sorry. Tanggap mo yon? You really shut it up. Ate, may pinag-aralan akong tao. Ginanon mo ako? And I'm just returning the favor. No! Alam mo kung paano mo ako tinanong? Ay, sabi mo, ate, anong problema mo? I was like, oh my God, kuya! She's a liar! Oh my God! Hey, you're a freaking liar! Liar! Ano sabi mo? Anong problema? Anong problema ko? No! I'm a liar? I'm a liar?